Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about cryptocurrencies, short-term or long-term investments. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Every investor who buys cryptocurrencies has one question in mind: whether to hold for the long term or sell quickly. Well, either way is good depending on what you want to do with the cryptocurrency markets. So in this video, we look closely at the trends of trading crypto versus holding crypto, as well as who should trade and who should hold. Trading crypto in the short term. Trading is when you buy a cryptocurrency with the plan to sell it as soon as its price goes up. This is when you buy a coin, keep it for as long as you need, and sell it as soon as you can make a profit. Short-term trading and investing is good for people who don't want to hold cryptocurrencies and are willing to take risks to make money quickly. Their only goal is to make as much money as quickly as possible. Here are some things you should know about investing in cryptocurrency for the short term. Investing in coins with high volatility will pay off more quickly. There is also a lot at stake here. It's possible that you will lose your money. It's not for people with weak hearts. The best time frame for short-term investments is between 1 day and 1 month. Then you sell it, even if it costs you money. Do your homework before putting money into a short-term coin. You don't want to be stuck with the wrong coin. Always look for the lowest price you can. Don't put in more than you can afford to lose. Putting money into crypto for the long term. The best way to put money into a cryptocurrency is to buy it and keep it for a long time. When given enough time to grow, cryptocurrencies with a lot of potential do very well. Take the Libra coin as an example. It might not make a lot of money in a day or a month, but in about a year, it can make a lot more money than many well-known coins. This is because the project is very useful and has a lot of potential. You can buy this kind of coin and keep it for a long time. Here are some of the pros of investing in crypto over the long term. Long-term return potential is very good. High returns with low risk. You can have your peace of mind because you know you have valuable coins. Depending on the coin, the best time to hold it is between 1 and 3 years. Investing for the long term can help you deal with the ups and downs of the markets. It's easy and saves you time. It gives you the benefits of compounding, that is, returns on returns. When you hold on to dividend-paying coins for a certain amount of time, they will pay you interest on a regular basis. Long-term investments is good for people who don't mind taking on less risk or who want to take advantage of a coin's long-term potential. When you put your money away for a long time, it has to grow for sure. This is why many investment experts say that investing for the long term is better than investing for the short term. If you are new to investing in crypto or don't know how to choose between long-term and short-term investments, make sure to do your research and look at your risk profile before you start. Cryptocurrencies can be good or bad depending on what you want to do with your money. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.